Hi everybody. Before this video begins, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you can catch every single video. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey everybody, it's your man Crazy Dragon here. We are outside of my house. Here we are. See my house? Yep. I know, ghetto. So this is my brother Jay. Say hi to the people, Jay.
Hi.
Can they see you?
Yes, they can see me. People.
So there's my brother. There's another dimwit brother that's riding the four-wheeler. But let's show them what we're going to do. I see. So we got this phone, okay? We are going to smash this phone into pieces.
And my other brother over there is going to run it over with the four-wheeler.
So this will be fun. Say hi to the people, Caleb. For you too. Ignore him.
Ready?
I have to start over. I can't put that on YouTube.
Why?
I can't let little kids see that.
You haven't smashed your phone either! It's going to spoil it to smash your phone!
Okay, yeah, that's okay. So let's go. Guys, don't ever do that to people. It's only okay if you are a very stupid person like he is. Okay?
We also have a hammer to smash it.
I want the first shot, though. Wait, I want the first shot. Ready, guys? I missed.
Okay. Caleb, come here!
Wait, did I break it in half? No.
Caleb, run it over.
Okay, wait. Ah! Wait a minute. Whoa! Ow! So wait, let's look. Let's show. We just broke it in half when it was smashed. So there we go. Throw them on the ground.
You can't run the part over.
Can they see it? Look over there and see if they can see it.
They're gonna have to get closer.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna switch the camera. Okay, throw it on the ground.
Stupid.
How do you like almost getting ran over?
Oh my god!
Oh my god, look at this, guys.
I smashed it with the hammer!
Close up, ready? Other side. Show it. I didn't see that side. We're destroying it. Do not run over the other thing. Okay, whoa, this crap's warm.
I turned it on and took the battery out of it.
Here we go. Right there.
You want to do it? Hold the camera?
Yep.
This one or that one?
Huh?
This one or that one?
This one. Actually, no, I want to do that one. That one's not too broken. Come on. I ain't doing it on the grass. This is what I call stuck between a rock and a hard place. Brick stairs. Ready?
Not really nothing new to it. Besides that, on the back of it. I smell
Let's
sewer.
target the back of it. Okay, so
I'm gonna hit it once.
And
Yeah, I did.
I seen you hit it more
I
than
just
once.
smashed it up with the hammer.
I ran over it, but I only hit it once.
Okay, look. Let's show them. Is this the end, or are we gonna continue? That's the end. Okay. Let's look at the end project.
Unless me and you want to continue.
Nah. We did pretty good damage. I want to hit this one once. So, we are almost done. Let me see that hammer. Whoa! Guys, look at this. We did so bad. It's stuck on the freaking hammer. It's stuck on the hammer. Give me the hammer. Oh my god, guys. Turn it around. No, other way. Turn it to the front. That is messed up. Okay, we are back. Jay, hold this camera and aim it at the phone.
Show them that a little bit.
Oh, look at that. Destroyed.
That's my old phone that barely even worked.
None of these phones. Whoa, look at that one.
Let's do it harder.
Oh, crap. Yo, guys, look at that. Ready? One more grand hit. Ready? One on each side. Flip it over. Okay. Let's look at our final pieces here. We're doing something real quick. Okay, give me the other pieces. All the pieces to both phones.
Right there.
Give me that one. Look at all this destruction.
If you should we do this one
That's awesome.
in the next video.
This is going to be our next one. But we will do that. Can we save that for another day? If you want more, then drop 5 likes. If I can get 5 likes, I'll destroy this. Does it turn on?
Nope.
Oh well. Well, I'll destroy this phone. That will be our next destruction. But I have to get at
This
least
one.
3 to 5 likes.
This one is supposed to be indestructible.
And
It's already cracked.
apparently it's supposed to be indestructible. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love destroying this crap. Look at all the damage we did. It was awesome. So make sure to drop 3 to 5 likes. Subscribe to me. Hit that notification bell because for some reason YouTube is stupid and doesn't give you my videos if you don't. So make sure to do that. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll actually be following back right after. I'm going to go into Google Chrome and do that. So make sure to do that. I'll put the links in the description. So yeah, this has been Crazy Dragon saying rock on and destroy everything.
If you want us to do any more crazy things,
Drop 3 to 5 likes. Come on. 3 to 5 likes. Peace.